testing our onboarding process. So do you have access to termination console? Yes. Copy link to BroSettlement. Yes. In which folder you should install BroSettlement cosigner? Let's select this folder. I created folder. Yes. So the instruction is you should copy this part of the public key. Go to admin console, create new API. Let's say cosigner. It doesn't matter. Put here a public key. Give correct scopes. For us, it's initialize, read, and create API. To FA, we have this key ID. We should copy and put here. Do you have these permissions? Yes. Key successfully verified. So IP key is working. Is install cosigner? Yes. So cosigner is installed. Can we initialize and create shares? Yes. So can we start local process? Yes. So the cosigner is local ready in online. Should we initialize new key? Yes. So how you can see the DKG process was successful, key generated, cosigner online, all blockchain ready. So right now you have on your computer share B and share C. And for share C, you should take this file and put on the local storage somewhere else. So we are moving forward, DKG complete, and we have key generated. Right now, the onboarding process asking to generate separate API key for the interaction with the system. So cosigner interact with the system through one API key, and you as an integrator communicate with the system through another API key. So it's offered to generate separate key pair for security. So this new key pair generated, we can create new API key. And for the scopes, we will give all available scopes except MPC. We can copy this, put in the console. Is it active? Yes. As you can see, API is working. A ledger account successfully created, and right now we are creating deposit wallet. So you can see that we have treasury account, we have a wallet inside, and we have assets inside. Do we want to test small TRON deposit? Yes. So we have first deposit here and waiting for until it will be confirmed. So as you can see, we have first confirmed deposit. Let's check balance. As you can see, we checked balance. We have transaction hash 15 TRX on the balance. And as a last step, we will do a withdrawal. Let's copy address, withdrawal. So first of all, withdrawal was successful. You can see here in transaction was sent, and also you can show in Explorer the current status of this transaction. Second, we have right now 35 minutes on the clock, and all onboarding successful. It's cosigner installed, it's online, key created, we have received deposit, we have performed withdrawal, and we have full access to the platform through the API and through the admin panel. Thank you.